Hi, I'm Xiaodong Lu, president of Planar Motor Inc. Many friends asked me about the limit on the number of stators in a planar motor system. Actually, there is no limit. One controller can manage a cluster of 200 stators. Different clusters can automatically link together. This slide shows the architecture of a planar motor cluster. One controller can manage up to 200 stators and up to 200 more. Different clusters can connect together by the network cable between two neighbor stators. And such extension can be extended in an infinite way. So for example, one cluster can have another 4 neighbor cluster, and those neighbor clusters can have further neighbor clusters. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you. Here, we already have an up-running cluster of 2 stators. I'm going to set up a second cluster and then link them together. So first, I need to use your network cable to connect the controller and the stator. Next, I'm going to connect power to the stator. Flip over. Drop more in. Now the second cluster is ready to run. Okay. In order to allow 2 clusters to automatically link together, we need to physically bring them together, like this. In addition, we need to use one network cable to connect 2 neighbor stators together. Now the connection between 2 clusters is established. See? Moors can fly from one cluster to another on the fly without a stop, no glitch. The 2 clusters just behave like one system. Actually, I can also split the 2 clusters on the fly without shutting down any of them. Let me show you. I only needed to disconnect the network cable connecting 2 clusters. Okay. Now the 2 clusters are completely separated. They become independent again. This cluster can operate horizontally. I can operate the other one vertically. I can even shut down this cluster without affecting the other one. Let me show you. Okay, remove more. Remove power. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other question, please don't hesitate to contact us. See you in the next video. Bye.